Hey, welcome back. This time we'll see how to convert angles to coordinates and vice versa to be able to make games like this or this. I'll cover how to make it with Pygame, but you can implement the same technique anywhere else. If you want to follow along, pause the video, download the code linked in the description below, and let's get started. Our goal in this video will be to make this eye-like thingy follow the mouse, sort of like how in Minecraft your character looks at the mouse when you open your inventory. If you downloaded the code, this is what you'll get, a round thing that looks like a very round eyeball. First, let's get the mouse coordinates, as we'll need them for just about everything we'll do. And since our eyeball has two different behaviors for when the mouse is inside and outside the eye, we'll need to check where the heck that mouse is. To do that, we'll get the distance from the eye center to the mouse in the x and y axes, and use the Pythagorean theorem to convert those two distances into one distance directly from the eye to the mouse. Now we can use that distance we got to check whether or not it's bigger than the eye radius. If it is, we get the angle from the initial side going from the eye to the right relative to the terminal angle side going from the eye to the mouse with the A tan2 method from the math library. Now that we have the angle, we need to convert that into coordinates and do a little bit of math to set the eyeball right where it needs to be. We'll use the cosine and sine functions to convert the angle to coordinates on the x and y axes, multiply that by the whole eye radius minus the eyeball radius to have the eyeball go in a big enough circle, add half the window length and width to put the eyeball right in the middle, and correct its final position by subtracting its radius. And now the easy part. If the mouse is inside the boundary, put the eyeball at the mouse coordinates minus the eyeball radius. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, keep on learning, and I'll see you in the next one.